In the great forest of Sundera, animals lived together in harmony. They spoke freely. They worked freely. They moved freely. Every creature felt safe because every creature had rights. But one morning, a strict hawk decided that only certain animals should speak. Only certain animals should move, and only certain animals should choose their work. Without their basic rights of freedom, the animals became afraid. The forest grew silent, and the colors of Sundera began to fade. But Tara the tigress remembered the old charter, a promise that every creature, no matter their size or species, had the same rights. A bright light emanated from the noble charter and blinded the evil hawk. When the charter returned, freedom returned, equality returned, respect returned, and once again the forest of Sundera stood tall. In every forest, in every land, rights protect the weak, the strong, and everyone in between. When citizens protect their rights protect them. In the Indian Constitution in Part 3, Article number 19 to 22 protect the rights to freedom. More about these articles in the next video. Be with Riiacademy, India's most popular civil services portal.